In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image to a GitHub Readme, all in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to enhance your project's presentation or simply wish to add a visual element, incorporating images into your Readme file is a fantastic way to make your content more engaging and informative. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and search for GitHub. Once you've located the GitHub website, go ahead and sign up if you don't already have an account, or simply log in if you do. Now that you're logged in, navigate to your GitHub profile. This is where all your projects and repositories are managed. Next, locate the repository where you intend to add an image to the Readme file. Once you've found it, click on it to open the repository dashboard. Within this dashboard, you're looking for the Readme file. Click on the Readme to open it in a detailed view. Now, while you're still on the repository's main page, make sure you're in the Code tab at the top. You will need to navigate away from this tab temporarily, as the next step involves clicking on the Issues tab. Don't worry, we'll come back to the Readme shortly. Once you're in the Issues section of your repository, look for a button that says New Issue, and click on it. You'll see a spot to add a title and a description. This is where you can begin to set up for adding your image. In the description field, simply drag and drop the image file you wish to include in your Readme. This will automatically upload your image, and GitHub will generate a markdown-compatible code snippet for you to use. After your image uploads successfully, a line of code will appear. This is the markdown code that represents your image and allows it to be displayed in the Readme. Copy this code carefully, as this is what you'll paste into your Readme later. Before leaving the Issues section, don't forget to click Create to ensure your new issue is saved successfully. Next, head back to your repository's Readme area, specifically the Edit tab. This is where you'll make the necessary alterations to include your image. Within the editable section of the Readme, paste the code you copied earlier wherever you would like the image to appear.